not everybody has that time to learn the technical know-how and skills that it takes to create a seamless, clean, professional-looking Notion template just like this, which is why they're prepared to pay for that convenience. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a really high-quality Notion template using Claude AI, and I'm also going to show you how we can sell that template using a method that is known to have the ability to double the amount of sales that you can get. So before we head back over to Claude AI to type in a prompt to start building out that Notion template, the first thing that you want to do is to get signed up, first of all, to Notion, which you can do absolutely for free. And we're also going to be signing up to Kittle, which is also free, which is an incredible AI-driven design platform that we're going to be using in conjunction with Claude AI to enhance our templates, maximizing the amount of those sales that we can make. I'll leave a link to Kittle in the video description, along with a link to Claude AI and Notion. Now, in terms of actually creating our template, before we talk about how we're going to be selling it, we're first going to head back over to Claude AI and we're going to type in a prompt. And I will simply type in a prompt like this, which I've also left a copy of, which you can access in the video description. I'll give you a brief preview of this prompt, guys. What I've said is to give me a prompt I can use in Notion AI to build a monthly spending tracker template. I've asked it to include all sorts of things, guys, like emojis on every heading. I've also asked it to include progress bars, a siren emoji if over budget, and I've also said to make sure that this is clean enough for beginners, but polished enough to sell as a premium template. You can access this prompt, which you can edit for the exact type of Notion template that you want to create in the video description. So with one click, I'll simply hit send. It'll then give me this highly detailed prompt for Notion, which I can very simply copy, head back over to Notion, and select Notion AI on the left-hand side. Now, while Notion itself is completely free, Notion AI you can try for free, and in this prompt box, I will simply paste in my prompt, and with Opus 4.6 selected, I'll simply hit send. And it's now created our monthly spending tracker, which not only looks absolutely incredible, but also functions even more incredibly. It is super easy to use. There will be some instructions at the end of the tracker right here, super easy to use, but looks really impressive. Exactly the type of Notion template that we can start selling. Before we start doing that, guys, let's first review this template to see not only how it looks, but also how it functions, making sure that everything is functioning correctly. Look, we'll start from the top. We have our summary of our monthly financial position, total income, total expenses, which is from the data below. As you can see in the transaction log, monthly salary, $5,200 for the month. Total income, also $5,200. Now, if I scroll down over to where it says monthly budget by category, you'll see these different categories on the left-hand side: food and dining, housing, transportation. And the way that you use this tracker is at the beginning of each month, what you would do, guys, is set your budgets, right? So let's look at an example. So food and dining, we have a budget set of $600. Let's say that so far we've spent $160, represented by this progress bar, which is 27% of that allocated budget, and we have $440 remaining.